Today is the perfect day to fix this grill. This is not something new. When I got the truck, I realized that this will definitely need to be addressed. You see how it's old? It's a 14-year-old grill. The original grill probably sat in the sun a lot. It's oxidized. Before I actually did this, a few days ago, I tried to restore this. I used, what do we all do when we have a problem that we need to solve? We go to the internet, right? Go to YouTube and we research and we check. And I did check all kinds of back to black or restoring for trim and stuff like that. And I did try something. Well, that never really worked out properly. So I decided before I go ahead and buy a new grill, I want to restore this one. Actually got a new trim restoration liquid fluid that has a little bit black dye on it. But before I can actually even do anything, I'm gonna take it off and work on it a little bit, because as you can see, you can hear that this part is like really rough and needs to be buffed off. So I'm gonna sandpaper it with a very fine sandpaper, and then we'll restore it with the fluid I'll show you very soon. But so I got on Amazon a variety of a small, like $9 of variety of from 240 grit all the way up to like 3,000. I think it should do the job. Let's take the grill off. This is something I should definitely get. Since I came from New Jersey, I never got a garage stool. So I'm gonna use a bucket, but I definitely need to get one. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start with the more aggressive grit, then finish up with the most gentle grit. Yeah, I have the most aggressive is 240, and then it'll go all the way up to 8,000 I've got it. At 10,000 actually. Okay, next step up, I'm going with 600. I washed it with water, let it dry a little bit, so 600, and then I'll finalize it with, I don't know, 2,000. It's good enough, I think. Obviously, you can use a sander, you can use, but you can also buy a new one, but, it's fun a little bit to do things by hand, old school. Now I'm gonna go for the final 3,000, and it should be as smooth as a baby's behind, That's it. I'm washing it, degreasing it with alcohol, and then we're gonna cover it with. I'll show you very soon. This is the product I found. Sometimes on YouTube there are big channels that promote. I don't know if promote, but talk about other bigger brands, bigger products, and they're not always the best. Sometimes you just need to search a lot, and I just found this on a relatively small channel, small video. Like a detail shop that been using it for 5 or 10 years already. And hopefully this is gonna be make the whole difference, because everything I tried before didn't give me the results that I was looking for. So hopefully this one from a small YouTube channel will do the whole difference. Just rubbing alcohol to clean everything, the grease, get everything off. Well, it is looking much better already. I'll now let it dry and soak up the fluid and the dye and the color and everything. And then I'll do another coat. It's looking really good. After three coats of the material, I'm gonna let it dry, put it back on. It's not black, it's actually returned back to its original color. And its original color is this. It's kind of matte black brownish, I would say, a little bit. So it came very close to that color. It's as good as it gets. Otherwise it's getting a brand new one, and that's not the point. So let it dry up and then we'll put it back on the truck. So it's going back on. Let it dry. Maybe I'll put another coat. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. Is it better than what we had before? Absolutely. Was it worth my time and the effort? I'm not sure. But if I don't like it at the end, finally, like I said, $70, $80, I'll buy a new one. But for now, it's good. It's nice. I like it. What do you say? Was it worth it my time? I enjoy these things, you know? So that's how it turned out. I think pretty good, huh? Pretty good for a 15-year-old restored grill. Still not used to this crazy weather. Look at this. This is an hour later after I've done working on the car, on the truck over there. Look at that. Look at this rain. How crazy is that?